I don't think there's a better model right now in the market than the Seedance 2.0. The quality of the videos that you're able to create with this model is mind-blowing. Not only is it easy for you to generate with single prompts, but on top of that, with this type of quality and this type of understanding that this model has, it has actually never been easier to go viral right now. Some of these videos that I'm going to show you, whether it's short form or long form content, you're going to be surprised at the quality that AI is capable of generating now, because there is no way to tell the difference between an AI content or a regular production quality video anymore. And in this video, I'm going to explore all of that. So let's jump right in. All right, first of all, let's just take a look at a few examples so that way you can really see the quality of how incredible Seedance 2.0 is. Again, when it says 4K, it's not kidding, right? 4K is absolutely what was missing from a lot of the models like Kling and VO 3.1 and all these other AI video models. But now with the Seedance introducing the 4K quality, it's almost like I mentioned, impossible to now tell the difference between a video that's been generated in a high studio production quality versus something with AI. Because not only does this thing generate 4K quality, but on top of that, what it's capable of creating with the character consistency, with the movement of camera, with slow-mo shots and everything else is absolutely remarkable. As you can see right here in some of these examples, again, this is something that video production company would create, but as you can see, it's all done with single prompt. So obviously it is a little costly, but it makes sense because the quality of the video that it generates is something that's remarkable. But anyway, so let's go ahead and let me show you a few examples. First of all, I want to explore the concept of short form, because if you have noticed some of these videos or some of these short form content on TikTok that have gone viral, or recently these ones that are these cute little kind of fruits and vegetables in a cute animal baby style, and they're being fed their own exact kind of fruit per se, right? So for example, this thing had 269.4 million views, and it's basically this orange cute baby thing that's being fed a spoon of orange, and it kind of chews it. So you can see this. And one of the reasons why this is so good is, again, the quality of the content itself, right? So not only is this not just one, multiple of these videos in this account. Look at this one, for instance, fried egg eating ASMR. This one has over 45 million views, and it has 1.1 million likes. And again, of course, as far as the comments and interaction with these videos are incredible. And again, why? It's because of the quality of the video, right? No, honestly, there's nothing else to it. Because before you could create content like this, but it was just that the quality was really bad, and therefore it was very difficult for people to stay on and watch these things. But the reason why now they're so satisfying is because the quality of the content is incredible. So then I went ahead and actually tried it out, and I figured, why not see if I can create something similar to this, even with the better content. So obviously I'm using Higgsfield, by the way, inside. I'm using Seedance 4.0 or 2.0 4K model inside my Higgsfield. I'm going to put the link in the description. You guys can access it. So let me go ahead and show you now a few examples of this, right? So first of all, I want to focus on this one because this is very cute, right? So this is, all I did was I said a hyper realistic ASMR macro video, some cozy dimly lit kitchen, warm cinematic lighting, dark soft focus background. On a wooden table sits an adorable anthropomorphic baby kiwi, right? So it's basically the baby kiwi being fed. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video so that way you can see the quality of how it generated. And by the way, this does have volume because you are able to see kind of the this fruit baby thing kind of chew and make those cute little noises. But right away, as you can see, just the quality of the video is absolutely remarkable. So let me go ahead and play this. That's absolutely adorable. And this one is 10 seconds, by the way, and I kind of modeled it after, again, this account right here, because majority of the videos are between 8 to 10 seconds. So I wanted to make sure I'm kind of staying consistent with that particular time length. Same thing, this one, I did the same thing, except I said this time it will be a anthropomorphic baby peach, small, round, fuzzy, with a chubby, cute face, big, glossy, round eyes, rosy cheeks, and a tiny smiling mouth sitting upright. So I'm describing exactly on the prompt. And by the way, I'm gonna, if you guys want to access these prompts, just comment prompt in the video, and I'm gonna send you this. But take a look at this. Let's go ahead and start from here. I'm gonna zoom this in so you guys can see better, because I think in the screen, whoops, didn't mean to do that. Because if I maximize this, let me go ahead and maximize this. There you go. So let's play this. Oops. I mean, look at how crisp the quality of this video is. That's adorable, right? You can see just the amount of details that are inside, or just the amount of details that are in this image in the video, and just the movement of the eyes and everything is just absolutely remarkable, right? So you can see how well done this is. And then obviously these other ASMR videos, like of these fruits that are being cut, right? That's another one that you can see. These are also very popular TikTok kind of trend, but again, the reason is because just the quality, right? So you can see just the crispness, the sharpness of the image, the knife, kind of the shadow, and everything else. Like, this is something that's truly mind-blowing. So these are kind of these ASMR videos. So feel free to check this out. Like I said, if you guys want the prompts, I can send you the prompt. Just comment prompt. If not, you can use ChatGPT or Claude or whatever it may be, and you can generate prompts like this, and you can come back to your Higgsfield and go to on top right here. You can go to the top and click on the models and Seedance 2.0 4K, right? So if you just click on this, it's gonna bring you to the place where you can generate this. So let me stop this video so that way we can, I'm gonna show you something else. All right, so that was kind of like the 9:16, like generating shorts. But we also obviously, Seedance 2.0 4K has the ability to generate content in 16:9, right? So one of the examples is obviously using this to create commercials. Now, commercials is one of those things that could be something that could be monetized. But on top of that, like, it's not only being done for personal use. This is something that you can actually take to a business, right? So whether it's your local restaurants or just working online with smaller companies, again, the quality of this is something that you basically cannot replicate, right? So let's go ahead and play. I created this fictional kind of perfume brand, but you can see just the quality of the video. Take a look at this. I mean, just sharpness of the image in the video is just mind-blowing in my opinion. Look at those water droplets, right? Again, this is just for like a perfume, but this could be applied to anything, right? So if you see on the right-hand side, I just said, create a premium 4K cinematic product commercial for a luxury glass serum bottle displayed in a clean studio setting. So that's where you can kind of describe the setting. You can describe where the product is located, the environment, the camera movement, and it's really good at capturing that. And that's one of the use cases that Higgsfield even mentions on their website. So if I go right here, you can see the product. So this one, for instance, right? So this is for like a shoe design. Take a look at the shoe commercial. Take a look at that, right? Just kind of the way it zooms and really captures the product details. It's something, like I said, it's hard to differentiate that this is made by AI or something that was done in a high production studio, right? All right, so that's again on the commercial side. That's the product commercial side. That's something that you can really capture and play around with this and see the difference between the quality of the 4K that's generated by Seedance 2.0 versus like a HD or a 720 that you can generate with other models as well. And of course, obviously right here, as you can see on the bottom here, you have the option to generate in less than 4K. You don't have to, right? But obviously with the Seedance 2.0's uniqueness, at least with this version, is the fact that you can generate 4K quality, which a lot of the professional, ads or any video that you want for personal use, or like I said, for commercial use, that 4K really comes and makes a big difference there. So another use case for kind of the Seedance 4K video is the concept of having a character consistency. Because one of the problems with a lot of AI models is the fact that the character consistency always you run into issues, right? So for instance, if it's generating a multiple shot scene, like in this one that we're about to see, a lot of times it's very hard for it to maintain the same character, right? And especially when it comes to if there's like an actual human in the picture. And that's something that if you're creating, a brand commercial for your brand or for a client, for instance, that's very important, because if you have multiple characters in the same scene, or even if it's like a slight difference, people will be able to tell. And as soon as people realize that, hey, this is an AI slop, like they will immediately get turned off. So that's why it's such an important aspect of a video generation, an AI video model, to make sure that it maintains not only the quality but also the character itself. And this is one of the things that Seedance 2.0 is really good at, maintaining the character. But on top of that, like I said, now that it's 4K, it makes it even 10 times better. So in this one, for instance, I just basically said, create a premium 4K cinematic commercial featuring one consistent fictional character as the face of the luxury coffee brand. Now, of course, you can replace this and upload an actual media, right? So let's say you want to upload your picture or whatever it may be. This is where you can now upload different media to make sure that it actually captures all of those details. But of course, for this example, I just said to kind of create this originally. So that's why it's just creating one character, which is this Asian guy in his mid-30s, right? So I said the character must remain in the same person throughout the entire video, same face, same hairstyle, same age, same outfit, same body type, and same overall identity across every shot. And I'm mentioning the character details. So obviously I'm saying a fictional professional founder in his early 30s, confident, calm, wearing a clean black turtleneck and a beige tailor coat. So the reason why I'm giving you guys these details is because, like I mentioned, it's very important to explain this in the prompt and to make sure that it actually shows up in the generation of the video itself, and it should maintain all of this throughout. And this is, like I said, one of those things that was very difficult, that to this day is pretty difficult for a lot of AI models, the AI video models, but with Seedance, it's really good at kind of maintaining that. So I described the scene: a luxury coffee studio with warm cinematic lighting, wood texture, glass stainless steel, soft morning light, and a premium brand atmosphere. I'm giving it the shot sequence. So these are the multiple shots, right? The first one is going to be a close-up of the same character entering the audio. The second one is a medium shot of the character picking up a premium coffee bag. And the third one, so as you can see, this is a 6-shot video, right? So that's why, like I mentioned, in these multiple different shots, you want to make sure that the AI model is able to capture the video or the character consistency throughout. So let's go ahead and play this, and we can see what this looks like afterwards. So I'm just going to press play here. Perfect. So you can see the same guy kind of entering, the same clothes, the turtleneck, the kind of the hair, the body style, everything is staying consistent in all of these different shots, kind of the different close-ups and coming out. All of this is very, very important, like I mentioned. So that's why this becomes such a high quality video, because not only you have the 4K quality that is shown, but on top of that, it's maintaining that character consistency at every single shot, and every single close-up, side profile, hero shot, or kind of an expanded view. And obviously it has the ability to have the person or have the character in the video be consistent throughout whatever it's doing, whether it's kind of like walking in the environment, doing something, in this case, like pouring coffee. And he's actually using, as you can see right here, kind of that espresso machine, right? So it's really maintaining everything. And like I mentioned, now this is very hard to differentiate between this being AI generated and something that was generated in a high quality studio with actual human actors, right? So that's what I was mentioning, that this is such an important aspect to this. But anyways, I don't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted to showcase these examples of how incredible this model is. So whether you're creating short form content for your TikToks and Instagrams of the world, or you are creating these, wide angle or commercials or kind of character consistency videos, Seedance 2.0 4K model beats every single model out there in the market. So make sure you guys check this out. Again, I'm going to put the link in the description for the Higgsfield, so that way you guys can access this inside Higgsfield. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions. Make sure you like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.